So hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video we're going to be talking about what Solana is seeing in its current price. So we'll be taking a look at a specific pattern that Solana is forming, and we'll be going over how that's going to affect the price of Solana. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. Before we start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video and let's head over to our screen. So we are now over at our screen and we are on tradingview.com looking at this pattern that I have just drawn, and we are on the 4-hour time frame of Solana, and we are looking at the Solana USD chart currently. So if we just take a look at the pattern it's currently forming, it's currently forming an inverse head and shoulders pattern. So what is an inverse head and shoulder? So let's just describe what that is real quick. So basically we see this pattern during a downtrend. So we were in a downtrend before this pattern was forming, and then when this pattern starts, we usually see our first shoulder being created here, and we head back to our neckline. So this is the neckline, is basically where the price returns after every move that it makes. So it returns to the neckline, then we see another move downwards. So this is the bigger move. This is bigger than the left shoulder, and this move is called the head. So then we head back to the neckline, once again hitting that price target, and then we create another shoulder like the left shoulder, similar prices, and we then move to the neckline once again. So this is basically what an inverse head and shoulders pattern looks like. So that's what we are seeing right now in Solana, and it's about to move the price crazy. And this pattern just has completed, and it has finally seen the breakout to the upper side. As we can see right here, we have confirmed our breakout to the upside. We have closed our green candles above this neckline that we were seeing for this long time, and we started this trend over here, back around here. We hit our neckline around 3 times, and now finally, as we close this pattern, we have officially broken out to the upper side, causing our price to now head into the bullish direction. And if we take a look at the fundamentals of what this pattern usually is, we usually do see a breakout to the upper side, but then a little after that we do most likely see a retest at the neckline. So I'm expecting something like that very soon. We would see the price come back up initially to the neckline once more before it starts its bullish journey to the upwards direction. Now, what could be the price target of this journey? Let's take a look. Let's draw a line, take a line tool, draw from here to the head initially where we saw this, and let's just drag this over to where we saw the breakout. Now this will initially set our price target of what we can see in the upcoming times of our bullish journey and our bullish breakout. So based on this price target, we could head as high as $131.37 in Solana. Now this is just an estimate number, this is not the exact number, but we could head as high as $131 in the upcoming times as we see this breakout. So that is also some exciting news. We are hoping to see a retest once again at the neckline before we start heading back in the upwards direction. And that is what's basically upcoming in Solana very soon. This breakout is going to be huge. We are gonna head into the $130 range, and it's going to be huge for Solana. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about how Solana is going to see a breakout very soon from a pattern that it has been forming in the 4-hour time frame. So we did see that breakout finally, and we are about to see huge prices upcoming in Solana, predicted to be in the $130 range. So we are hoping to see those prices soon. And that was about it. So if you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my daily live streams I do on this channel, talking about the recent crypto price changes, anything recent that has happened in the crypto community. So do make sure to tune in daily on that live stream. And I also create long form content like this, talking about any recent patterns that any cryptocurrency has made or any recent news that has come out. So do make sure to check this video out also. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, do make sure to click the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about the video, and also don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.